Welcome. Today we're diving into a term you may have heard buzzing around AI conversations, RAG, or Retrieval-Augmented Generation. In just 3 minutes, you'll learn what RAG is, how it works, and why it's one of the most powerful tools behind modern AI applications. Let's break it down.
RAG stands for Retrieval-Augmented Generation, a solution pattern that combines large language models with external content to give smarter, more accurate responses. Instead of just answering based on pre-trained data, RAG retrieves relevant documents, then uses them to generate answers. It's like a search engine that doesn't just give you links. It reads everything, digests it, and creates a full answer for you. RAG is different from traditional search tools. When you ask a question, it doesn't simply look for keywords. It finds the most relevant content, pulls it in, and uses the language model to generate a personalized response. That response can be a summary, a plan, or even a brand new document, depending on what you asked for. One of the keys to RAG is something called prop before the prompt. Before sending a user question to the AI, the system adds extra instructions and content, like context from your business, your knowledge base, or even who's asking the question. This additional guidance helps the AI tailor its response, making it more accurate, relevant, and useful. To retrieve relevant content, RAG uses something called vector representation. Every chunk of content, like a paragraph, is turned into a vector, a list of numbers that captures its meaning. When you ask a question, that question is also turned into a vector. The system then compares these vectors to find the most closely related pieces of content. It's fast, mathematical, and incredibly efficient. Here's how it all comes together. 1. You ask a question. 2. The system turns it into a vector and compares it to content vectors. 3. It retrieves the top 5 most relevant documents. 4. Those documents are used to guide the large language model in generating a high-quality, personalized answer.
RAG is what makes AI feel more intelligent, because it's not guessing, it's retrieving the best information and building something useful from it. Whether you're building search tools, chatbots, or content generators, RAG takes your AI from generic to genuinely helpful. How do you think Retrieval-Augmented Generation could reshape your work or your industry? Let us know in the comments. And if this gave you a clearer view of how modern AI works, make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video. We've got more insights like this coming your way. See you next time.